No, I am not eating my food.
I agree with Talking Ben.
Me too. We want Taco Bell.
No Talking Ben, Talking Ginger, and Woody Woodpecker. We have lobsters, shrimps, and fish. So eat your food right now.
No, we want Taco Bell, not this pile of
I agree with Talking Ben. Hey, Talking Ben and Talking Ginger, watch your mouth. And what did I just say?
We are not having Taco Bell. We're having lobsters, shrimps, and fish. So just eat your freaking food. I agree with Larry. Now eat this freaking food right now or you both are grounded.
No, we are throwing those lobsters, shrimps, and fish into the trash can.
Talking Ben, Talking Ginger, and Woody Woodpecker, how dare you throw those lobsters, shrimps, and fish into the trash can? That's it!
All three of you are grounded for 990,000 decades. And when we get home, you both will go upstairs to your rooms for the rest of your lives. Let's go home right now.
No, 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 no.
Now go upstairs to your rooms right now and think about what you have done.
Whoa.